Hi everyone, it's Susan from Escapes, and I am currently in Punta Cana at Santucary Cap Cana, a stunning 5-star luxury adult-only resort. It's a little over 300 rooms, just large enough to navigate easily, and it is beautiful, as you can see behind me. This is one of the stunning pools, and the ocean is in the background. So if you're thinking of coming to Punta Cana and you want a luxury resort, I can assist in booking it for you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please click the like button and maybe subscribe. And to all my viewers that watch me on a regular basis, hola. This is the Italian restaurant, and without question, one of the prettiest restaurants I have ever seen. The decor is spectacular. This is a private room that could be perfect for small dinner parties pre-wedding. This is the lead-in category and an oceanfront junior suite. Coffee station. There is attention to detail here. This is true luxury. Beautiful. Overhead fan is extremely unique. Jacuzzi jetted tub, double sinks. This is the coffee shop. Good morning. The owner of this property is one of the largest meat distributors in Spain. He imports all of the prime cuts of beef and serves it at this restaurant. You can just well imagine how fabulous the taste is. Tomahawk. This is the piano bar. This is an area that they use for wedding receptions, so right on the beach, up to 30 guests. And you can have your cocktail reception here on the deck. This is a premium luxury jacuzzi on the balcony, and the colors are absolutely stunning. This is the castle, which is an independent part of this resort with luxury Butler suites.
the castle, Santucary Cap Cana by Playa Hotels and Resorts. It has 5,000 square feet in total, including the private island. Let me show you. We have one pool at the main bedroom, one pool in the living room, and another outdoor pool right there.
5,000 square feet.
Yes.
Oh, and its own private island. I see that.
Try to take in your shot outside. It's what it makes it unique. It has a private island.
And this is one of the bedrooms.
Yes.
With a view of the ocean. This is lifestyles of the rich and famous, for sure.
There's still upstairs to go too.
This is magnificent. I've never seen anything like this either. Now we're going upstairs to the second floor. And this is the room on the second floor. This is probably one of the most gorgeous suites I have ever seen. And this is all part of your room experience. This is another room with 2 double beds. And this is your own private island. These little villas are all part of this resort as well.